So here is the Temu promo code method to get free stuff. Click on my link down in the description to get your free $100 coupon bundle and use my promo code ACR697477 to get 30% discount. So first of all, head over to temu.com, and once you're here, you will get to see a lot of discounts and deals running. So scroll through the website and check all the deals out. They have sections like fast delivery, price drop, etc. Now, let's go down further and choose a product. I will go with these slides right here. Then, if prompted, solve this puzzle for security verification. And once you're done, you'll be redirected to the item page. Here, you can see the pricing and the discount from Temu. Now to get your additional discount, select your variant and size, and after that, click on Add to Cart. Then, you need to go over to the Checkout section. Here, just below Order Summary, type in ACR697477 and click on Apply. Then you will get your additional 30% discount. After that, just click on Submit Order.